Hey, what's up, guys? It's the Ultimate Drake Experience here. We're doing an unboxing of the AMD boot kit that AMD provides for their customers for when their motherboards don't work, which is the B350s. If you have second gen Ryzen, sorry for the shaking camera. It comes in this packing material, nice orange packing material. As already we could see the processor. Bottom is just more packing material. We'll leave that when we need to ship it back. Alright. Sorry for the camera shake. I keep hitting the tripod. So it seems like it's an AMD A series. Which is that one? It's the A8 9600. And seems like it's brand new. Doesn't seem used. Loosen the packaging, I could say that. So let's see what's inside. Alright, so we took the time to open it, and let's see what's inside. So what they include, this is a heat sink, just any cheap heat sink. Comes with a thermal paste. You could keep this if you want. They advise you to keep it. Booklet, and here's the CPU and the sticker right there, and that's about it. That's everything that comes in the box, nothing else. And that's about it. Basically, you just plug this into your incompatible motherboard, update the BIOS, take it out, put it back in its packaging, and go on your email and send it back. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you.